Hello everyone. Hi Pisces. This is the reading for you and this is mid-month reading for the month of December and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So Pisces, let's see your messages for December month, mid-month. One card is okay, Temperance. Card is felt on. Let's see your messages, Pisces. Okay. So you were in recent past, Pisces. Definitely there is some heartbreak, some separation between you and your person, and you are feeling very sad, and you are in this heartbreak. Yeah. And Temperance. Definitely you are patiently waiting for the moment. Your person could be Sagittarius also. Yes, some long-term commitment coming in your way. Ace of Pentacles. For some, your person offered to some long-term commitment to you, but you rejected. Something happened between both of you. Then you are heartbroken. You are in so much pain in recent past. And Ace of Pentacles. For some, you are now concentrating on your career and finances a lot. Okay. Yeah. I think you want that partnership with your person, or your person maybe want this partnership with you. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay. Four of Wands and your card the Moon, Pisces, and Three of Pentacles. I think you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Definitely there is I think you both are in and out of your both lives. There is no stability in this connection. That's why there is a lot of illusions and misunderstandings between both of you guys. The Moon is here. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. Definitely there is no collaboration. There is no partnership between both of you. So in any relationship, that relationship want to go to next level, you both have to be responsible and you both have to take responsibility. Okay. Then it will go to next level. Otherwise it will not. Okay. Definitely I think one person in this connection is very committed but other one is not. I think your person is always there for you. For some, energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. But now you want partnership with your person. Three of Pentacles. I think you both already know. You both could be colleagues also. For and juggling. I think you are juggling between things. Definitely you have to take some decision, Pisces. Two of Pentacles here. Some tower. Definitely you are undergoing some tower movement if you are in separation. Yes. If you are not in separation but something happening in your life right now, some tower movement in your career, in your family, in other issues, whatever. Definitely some tower movement for you. I think your person maybe cut you off. I think there is no communication between both of you. For some, your person now stand by their power. Yeah, you are juggling but they stand by their power. I think you are waiting for your time. You are waiting for your time. Temperance is here definitely, and you are waiting for right time to approach your person. For some, yeah, literally I think you are undergoing some pain. I am getting here. Some tower movement. Three of Swords. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. For some, now you are concentrating on your career also, but there is some juggling going between your person and career, between two persons. Definitely for some it could be third party also. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Pisces. Okay. So let's pull some cards. Your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity, Pisces. So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Seven of Wands, Five of Cups, Ace of Wands. Yeah, they are also feeling sad for the separation which had happened between both of you. Five of Cups. Definitely they are feeling very sad for the separation. I think the one person who always there in this connection is your person. I am getting they invested a lot in this connection. That's why they're feeling it so much pain. Okay, they're in so much pain. Ace of Wands, definitely there is a lot of passion between both of you guys. Still you both are attracted to each other even though you are not talking with each other. And Seven of Wands, definitely your person don't want, your person won't give up on you. Okay, they are very, I think they want you back. Okay, they want passionate new beginnings with you. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Pisces, your person near future actions. Ace of Swords, Five of Swords, okay, King of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, sorry, yeah, they want to express their feelings, some communication, definitely Five of Swords, a lot of disturbances between both of you guys. They want to fix the things between both of you. They want to fix those disturbances between both of you through communication. Yes, I think here communication is the key, Pisces. And Knight of Pentacles, but they are slow and steady. Definitely they are sincere and they want to offer stable offer to you. And the Knight of Pentacles is a very stable offer and very sincere offer. Okay, they are very sincere in this connection, and this time also they want to clear things between both of you. And Five of Swords, I think for some you may be lied to your person. Definitely there are some issues. I think for some there are trust issues going between you and your person right now. A lot of air energies here. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or water sign Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Yeah, I think some honest communication. Ace of Swords, two aces, Ace of Wands. There is a lot of passion, and I think you both want to communicate, but there are some egos problem. I am getting here. You both want same thing but not expressing. Okay, so let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Outcome. Eight of Swords. Yeah. Five of Wands. Yeah, I think connection right now is stuck. Definitely you both want same thing but not making any move. There is a lot of passion. There is a lot of drama also going between both of you. Six of Swords. Devil. Yeah, there is some obsession, deception also in this connection. One person creates that all. So one person in this connection could be Capricorn, and that person may be addicted to some bad habits. Maybe there is some obsession also. Though that obsession creates some deception in this connection. Eight of Swords, Five of Wands, a lot of conflicting energy what I am getting here. Definitely one person right now stuck, and Five of Wands, there is a lot of drama. But definitely you both are attracted to each other a lot because the devil is also obsession. You both are obsessed with each other, what I'm getting here. And Six of Swords, definitely you both want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, you both want to move towards calm water because these are the connection cards. Definitely you both want to fix the things between both of you. You both are obsessed with each other, but right now the connection is stuck. Definitely there will be some movement in near future. Okay, definitely you person want to communicate and you also want to communicate, but there is some stuck in the energy. Definitely you person also want to invest in this connection, but they are also in slow moving energy, Pisces. Yeah, so let's see your overall energy for the week. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your overall energy, Pisces, Hierophant, Three of Cups, Page of Swords, and King of Swords. Yeah, definitely some communication, honest communication, and for some you want to express your true feelings to your person, and one person in this connection is very straightforward and honest in nature. And Page of Swords, some spying is going between both of you guys. I think your person may be spying on you on social media. And Three of Cups with Hierophant, definitely you want reconciliation with your person. You are waiting for your person. Now you are ready to offer commitment to your person, and if you are in separation, definitely you want reconciliation with your person. If you are not in separation, then you want to celebrate your love life with your person and you want to take this relationship to next level, Pisces. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Let's see your person overall energy. Princess of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Ten of Wands, Devil. See, definitely there is some obsession. I think your person may be obsessed with you. They are very possessive over you. And Ten of Wands. Yeah, the one person who taking the responsibility regarding this connection is your person. That's why they are feeling overburdened. I think there is no equal give and take in this connection. because the one person who invest a lot in this connection is your person, what I'm getting here. So energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate. Queen of Cups, definitely your person have strong emotions for you, Pisces. And Princess of Pentacles, some messages, communication. Definitely I think some communication is going to be happen here in near future. Yeah, you both want same thing, but there is some stuck energy. Definitely there will be some moment in near future. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel, and please do support me guys. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.